how does a home inspection checklist factor into the process of buying a home? We all know that problems with a home can mean costly repairs. Despite our best efforts, we may not be able to identify these problems ourselves. A professional home inspector can get this done, and your home inspection checklist will help you move smoothly through the inspection and into your dream home. 3 important items your checklist should focus on: safety issues, functional issues, and structural issues. Check out the main categories every home buyer should look for when previewing property. First is safety. While previewing the interior of the home as well as the exterior, look for faulty electrical wiring issues as well as exposed wires. Water leaks, moisture stains, presence of mold, or an indication of mold is a red flag. Look under the deck for any wood rot or the deck pulling away from the home. Next is function. There are 4 main systems: electrical, heating, air, and plumbing. Do the systems function properly? Do they look like they are well kept and maintained? When turned on, do they make a noise that doesn't sound right? Finally, structure. The structural integrity of a home is a key component. Careful evaluation of the home structure will help you make smart decisions. Are there roofing and attic issues, cracks or displacement in siding and foundation, poor drainage around the home, decking pulling away from the home? These issues can cause major structural damage, so address these items up front. Areas to pay attention to are the lot, foundation, basement, crawl space, slab, roof, attic, exterior siding, doors, windows, decks, porches, garage, evidence of leaks inside and outside, electrical inside and outside, plumbing inside and outside, appliances, heating and cooling, odor, unusual smells. When looking to purchase a home, it's a must to know what you're buying. By getting a professional home inspection, the inspection findings will inform you of the home's current conditions, as well as give you peace of mind. The home inspector can make suggestions for immediate concerns and recommendations for items and maintenance to deal with in the future. The inspection lays out for you the current condition of the home, helping you to make an informed buying decision.